robots is not just a business for young people. It's for anyone who's got an interest in advancing technology.
The Queensland government's certainly supportive of manufacturing industry in Queensland. I think we now have an annual turnover of about $20 billion. To see the work that's going on here and the innovation and the ideas that are coming forward, certainly as a manufacturing minister here in Queensland, is very promising for our area. I'm really interested to get on a bus and go out and see what UFR are doing here in Queensland.
And yeah, the main goal of this project is to automate a fleet of trucks to run over shift change to increase utilisation of their fleet.
In the library at the time, we had our RTV, which is a converter platform. We selected the vehicle because it's able to travel quite long distances and has quite adequate payload capacity for all the sensors we're going to use for the inspection task.
UFR HolePrep, which you can see here, is being using the UFR autonomy package. We've built it onto a 3.5 ton excavator, removed the cab, added hose reels, layers of autonomy to make this process as autonomous as possible. This is removing people from a dangerous task.
What you'll see today is we actually develop a lot of our lifestyle products in-house, and we've begun manufacturing on scale. We have our own automation package that we drop on top of the machine. From there, it'll move into our electrical facility just here next to us. That's where we place a lot of our looms in, our computer boxes. We initialize the fat tip process here.
So to provide a solution cost effective and quickly, we took one of our blast off machines and just designed a new attachment for it. We were able to show that we can load and unload artillery shells mechanically.